Here I've got BLU Grand M2 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone. To do it, smoothly tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on power off. Confirm that you would like to shut down your device by tapping on OK. Once it's off, you have to tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And now just give it a couple of seconds. And as you can see, now you are in Android recovery mode. In this mode, you can use volume up and volume down key to navigate, so you can pick whichever option you would like to have, and then for selection use power key. So let me find wipe cache partition, here it is, then tap on power key to select it, confirm that you would like to wipe cache by tapping on yes, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, cache wipe complete, so we can reboot system now. To select it, smoothly tap on power key as it's the first opportunity. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, in which you can use your device in a normal way. Congratulations, you just wiped cache partition. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.